Welcome back to the class, guys. So this is a continuation class for the previous class, a VPN class in which I was supposed to install VPN on Windows 10. So that's what I'm going to teach you in this class. So how to set up a VPN on Windows 10 or 11. Currently I'm on Windows 11. So before installing VPN on Windows machine, let us check our public IP address. So type whatismyip.com in Google search. And as you can see, my public IP address is 183.83.162 and 17. So let us start setting up VPN on this machine. Currently my operating system is Windows 11, so I'll go to the search icon over here and I'll type settings. Open the settings, and in the network and internet, scroll to the third option is VPN, and here click on add VPN. If you are on Windows 10 machine, this is a Windows 10 machine, go to settings, settings, and again under settings you have network and internet. Click on network and internet, and the third option is VPN again. Click here to add a VPN connection. So again you have the same options: Windows built-in, connection name, server name or IP address, connection type, and sign in options. Okay, so I'll continue on Windows 11 only. Click on add VPN. So VPN provider is Windows built-in by default. You need to have connection name, server IP address, VPN type, and so on. In the earlier class I told you not to trust free VPNs, but I know most of you guys are reluctant to pay for services you take in general. So let us go with a free VPN as of now for the demonstration of this class. So let me go to free VPN. And VPN Book is a website that provides you free VPN service, openvpnbook.com. And here you can see VPN Book, free VPN, web proxy, how to set up, features, and so on, privacy and contact. So let us go to free VPN over here. Now if you scroll down, here you can see free VPN, free point-to-point tunneling protocol VPN, free OpenVPN, $0 per month, $0 per month. If you want to donate these guys if you're using VPN over here for longer terms. And PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol, is widely used since it is supported across all Microsoft, Windows, Linux, and so on. So these are the servers that are giving you PPTP VPN connections. So let me check the nearest one to my country. So France is the nearest one to my country. So fr1 vpnbook.com. So I will select this, and see here you have username and a password in order to access the VPN service. So copy this. Now type connection name. Connection name could be free VPN because I am using a free VPN. And now you have to paste the server name which you have copied over here. So it is fr1 vpnbook.com, and the connection type is PPTP, right? It is PPTP, point-to-point tunneling protocol. Now type of sign-in info, you have username, password, smart card, OTP, one-time password, and certificate. So let me use username and password because we have given username password by vpnbook.com. And let me save it. I'm not going to mention the username and password over here. You can actually go to the website, copy it and paste here, but let me show you how to do that. So save. When I saved it, you can see you have a free VPN over here and you are not connected to the free VPN. So in order to connect to the VPN service, click on the connect button and you are prompted with the username and password too. Yes, you can see. Now you have a pop-up window and you have to give the credentials, username and the password that you can copy from the website itself. Go to vpnbook.com, CT36A3K. In here you have to type username, that is VPN Book, and password is CT36A3K. Is that correct what I've typed? Now press OK. As you can see, we have an error, connection cannot be made. because the port is closed on the VPN server to which I'm actually going to make this connection. So close it, and so let me add a new VPN. Windows built-in. Let me go to the website once again. Let me choose DE4 VPN book. Copy. Connection name is VPN book. Name the address DEVPN book, de4vpnbook.com, and connection type is again PPTP. Username and password. So let me type the username here only, vpnbook.com. It's a VPN book, right? And the password is CT36A3K. CT36A3K. Okay, save. So it's not connected, so let me hit on connect button. Connecting to de4vpnbook.com. I hope this connection will be completed and a VPN connection will be established with the server de4vpnbook.com. Hope so. A connection is now completed. So let me go to the website. So, and in here let me type what is my IP.com. So if I type my IP, you can see that my public IP address is 5168.180.4. okay, so whatever the data you generate from your computer is now encrypted and tunneled and sent to the VPN server, and VPN server then will forward the data. Say for example, if I want to type facebook.com, I think Facebook is slow because I'm using the VPN. Because this is a free VPN, it is slow. Anyway, it's good enough now. And if I type google.com also, let me type google.com, then you can see Google offered in France is, I think this is from France. So let me go to what is my IP.com and check the location of this IP address 5168.180.4. so let me click on what is my IP address.com. It's a bit slow because you know free VPNs are always slow. So this is from, as you can see over here, this is a location and it is from France. 5168.180.4 is from France, and so my VPN server is in France. So whatever data I send from my system will reach the VPN server that is in France, then I will be connected to the internet. So if you want to remove the VPN connection, go back to the settings, network. Here you have the VPN book connected. If you want to remove this VPN connection, first disconnect this VPN connection, and then it's not disconnected. Let me hit on disconnect once again. It's now disconnected, and now click on this drop down arrow and remove. It is now removed, and this is how you can add VPN from your Windows 10 machine or 11 machine. And also you can remove the connections after disconnecting from the service. So let me once go to the browser, and if I refresh this page, no thanks, so my public IP is displayed again. Okay, so if I refresh this page again, also we have Francis over here. If I refresh this page, then again I am redirected to India. Okay, these are all the languages of India. And if you want to buy or purchase a better VPN, there are few better VPNs like ExpressVPN and NordVPN. So you can go to this NordVPN, nordvpn.com. My IP address is shown over here. Again, you can check the pricings. You have $3.71 per month. That is a good plan. Check the features. Click on the features and check the features of NordVPN. As you can see, stay safe, watch and download. So what more there? Privacy on go, VPN servers everywhere, multi devices, obfuscated servers, split tunneling, multi-factor authentication, dedicated IP, and so on. Some of the popular features like secure internet. This is what we want: strict no log policy. Click on the link. no log VPN service. So what is no log VPN? What does VPN without log means? So when you connect to VPN server, you shield your internet traffic from internet service provider, ISP and others. They can no longer see online activities, but the one holding your shield can. So as you can see, they don't maintain any logs over here. How does no log policy protect you? Read about these services, read about these features and so on. And that's it in the class, guys. Have a great day. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to the YouTube channel INSECTECHS.